this is Dan, one of the Missouri Travelers. Welcome to our channel. Our channel is devoted to finding and discovering places to hunt, fish, and camp in the great state of Missouri. So come along with us on our travels. I hope you enjoy this video, so sit back, relax, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
We were just outside of Salem, Missouri on Highway 72 when we came across this really neat fishing lake. So we thought we'd stop in and take a little quick photographs and some video, and hopefully when it warms up a little bit we'll come back here and try our luck out. Sit back and we hope you enjoy this video.